Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but websites on your browser won't open in TOSCIDO P101. And to do this, here I have my browser, and when we try to reach any website, there's this problem. Now to fix it, we'll need to open our settings. Then scroll all the way down and enter System. Here select Date and Time and enable Use Network Provided Time. When we go back to the browser and refresh the page, it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.